Can you imagine that one day you have a chance to stand over a 4 billion-year-old piece of the Earth? What would it feel like? I know that you're very curious to know about that place. Before I tell you about that place, I would like to share some very interesting facts about the geological history of our planet Earth. So, let's start. Earth was initially molten due to extreme volcanism and frequent collisions with other bodies. The Moon formed soon afterward, possibly as a result of the impact of a planetoid on the Earth. As the surface continually reshaped itself over hundreds of millions of years, continents formed and broke apart. They migrated across the surface, occasionally combining to form a supercontinent. Roughly 750 million years ago, the earliest known supercontinent Rodinia began to break apart. The continents later recombined to form Pannotia 600 to 540 million years ago, then finally Pangaea, which broke apart 200 million years ago. Recently, scientists found a 4 billion-year-old piece of Earth's crust beneath Western Australia. This giant Earth's crust is said to be the size of Ireland. Researchers believe that it has played an important role in the geological evolution of Western Australia for the past few billion years, as it is a key ingredient of rocks formed in Western Australia across this time. This discovery is yet another milestone in understanding and explaining how planet Earth has evolved from uninhabitable to supporting myriad life forms. The above study was conducted by researchers who used special laser equipment to discover the giant Earth's crust. Using lasers finer than human hair, the researchers targeted tiny grains of beach sand. These lasers vaporized portions of the individual grains of the mineral circuit and revealed where the grains were originally eroded from. Researchers were also able to analyze the geological history of the region. They discovered Earth's crust is among the oldest discovered. It is also believed to have survived multiple mountain building events between Australia, India, and Antarctica. This giant piece of Earth appears to still exist tens of kilometers deep under the southwest corner of Western Australia. Researchers also compared their findings to existing data. They found that many regions worldwide have experienced a smaller event of early crust formation and preservation. This incredible discovery shows how the Earth's crust stabilized some 4 billion years ago and life on planet Earth began to establish. That period is considered the late heavy bombardment, which is a theory that the Earth and the entire inner solar system went through intense asteroid bombardment roughly 4 billion years ago. This amazing discovery is said to be part of the first large-scale study of the region. This will also help scientists recognize ancient crustal remnants where economically important minerals can be found in order to come up with and implement future sustainable resource exploration. The study of the early Earth's formation and evolution is also important for scientists to understand how life on Earth began and how to find it on other planets. Still curious to learn more? Follow and subscribe us and let's more curious.